Peanut cookies, very simple and very tasty cookies to make it at home. I can promise you, if you love peanut, you are going to love this cookie. And there is no egg in it, it's very simple. Hello everyone, welcome to Full House Kitchen. So today we are preparing peanut cookies. So without delay, let's start the recipe. So here we have 1.5 cup of peanut. So I've taken a heavy bottom pan and we are going to dry roast this for around 5 to 6 minutes. So on a medium heat, just continuously keep on stirring and soon you will see the color has changed, and as you can see, our peanut is ready now. So once the color is changed and you will hear some spluttering noise, so this is the time you are going to switch off. Now allow the peanut to cool down, and once it's cold, we need to get the skin off the peanuts. So just rub it between your palm and the skin easily comes off. So just as I'm doing, just rub it between your palm, or if you have any better technique, then please do write it and take the skin off. Once the skin is off, we are going to make a powder of it. This is the technique which is very helpful to get rid of the skin from the peanuts without any mess. So just wanted to share that. So you need to get rid of the skin from the peanut, or few of them here and there, that's fine. So once our peanut is ready without the skin, just put it in the mixer grinder and make a powder of it. Here I have 2 baking tray ready with the parchment paper for baking, and now let's go ahead and make our cookie mixture. For that, I got 2 cups of all-purpose flour or maida into a big glass bowl, and into goes 1 cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt. Either you can grind your sugar in a mixer grinder, or you can use powder sugar or caster sugar. And now we are ready to add our grinded peanut. When we grind peanut, it releases its own oil, and that's why you see that the peanut is not in the powder form. And how crumbled it will be, it depends on how warm the peanut is or how cold it is. But it doesn't matter whether your peanut is cold or warm. And now we just need to mix everything together. Let's start mixing all the dry ingredients together. Because the peanut is very crumbly, now we need to really make sure that peanut is nicely mixed with all the dry ingredients. Just take your time and mix everything very nicely. And then we are ready to add some, here I'm adding some elaichi powder, or you can say cardamom powder, around a 1/4 spoon of cardamom powder. 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder for flavoring. If you don't like it, if you don't have it, you can skip it. Just give it a good mix, and then we are ready to add our binding ingredients. For binding, here I have 1 tablespoon of milk, and I have taken little less than 1 cup of ghee. So slowly we'll start adding ghee and start mixing our dry ingredients with a very light hand. How much ghee it will need depend on how warm or cold your peanut powder is. If your peanut powder is very crumbly like mine is, that means it will require less ghee, and if your peanut powder is cold, it's in the powder form, you might need more ghee. So just keep on adding the ghee slowly and start mixing. So here I have added all the ghee, which was little less than 1 cup and little more than 3/4 cup. So if your peanut powder is in powder form, then you will definitely need more ghee. And to check whether you need more ghee or how much ghee you need, if you are able to make a ball out of it without much of effort and it's nice and tight, that means that you do not need any more ghee and your mixture is perfect. So now our cookie mixture is ready to make cookies. Before we start making cookies, let's preheat our oven at 170 degrees Celsius, and I'm using conventional oven. Just to make the cookies, just put some ghee in your palm and make a ball. For best result and similar size of cookie, you can use a measuring spoon. Just make it into round shape and then flatten it, and then make sure the edges is nice and clean. And then with the help of knife, you can put any designs. So similarly, I'm just going to prepare all the cookies while our oven is preheating. So here I have prepared all the cookies, and altogether I have around 33 cookies prepared with 1.5 cup of peanut recipe. And our oven is preheated, so both the tray goes together for 15 minutes. And every oven is a little bit different, so little less than 15 minutes or little more than 15 minutes, around 170 or 165 degree should be enough. And as you can see, our cookie is nicely cooked. It comes out very nice, crumbly and very tasty. I hope you will give it a try. The combination of peanut with sweet and salty, it really gives a very nice taste to the cookie. So please do give it a try, and if you like this recipe, please do like it. And there are plenty of more recipes on our channel similar to this, so please do like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.